Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Free Community. Today guys, we'll discuss a new project that's called TxFlow. Basically, TxFlow is a platform that you can trade. It's one of the biggest and the newest platform nowadays. As an introduction, I can say that TxFlow is an open layer 1 with a multi-application ecosystem built around deep liquidity standards, where every channel shares on-chain liquidity, settlements, and the market data without breaching. The thing is, the platform is a community platform. Like, there is no investor. No one can really invest. The platform itself, it's a community owned platform. It's a platform that you can just join, trade, do whatever you want, do everything that you usually do on your latest maybe trading platforms. But this is also useful, so we're gonna dive this project and we'll discuss whatever news it have. So before we dive into the project, I would like to mention that that's not a financial advice, it's just informational, my friends. Let's dive into the project. As you can see, my friends, that's the app TxFlow.com. This is a trade-based platform. You can see all the order books, all the trade history, all the prices, amounts, totals, all the limits, markets, triggers, cross, 10x you choose, you deposit it. First things you need to do is just open an account. We all know this, and I put a referral link in the below just for you, my friend, so you can easily use my referral link and join this platform. See yourself what's happening. If you are new on the trading world, it might seem to you a bit complex, but you can get used to it and you can learn it by just doing simple steps and a little money trading, little amount of trading. But if you are professional, I think that platform would be useful for you in overall. As we mentioned, you can trade anything you want, not only Bitcoin. In here you can choose anything you want for trading, my friend. Only thing you need to do, connect your wallet, open an account, use the referral link in the below, so it will be quick for you to open an account, and with using the referral link you can get some advantage. They have a spot, they have a vaults, they have a portfolio for yourself. You see your total liquidity, you see your fee and overall and everything, overview and everything you can explore. You can see the referral code in the below. This is TxFred is my referral code, my friend. Once you click in the link in the bio, you will also see this referral code in your account. They have a docs, you can get more information about this platform. This whole project have no investor and they don't allow any investors. This is community owned from Genesis, verifiable on chain. They also do have one chain which is 250k TPS. A DAG based parallel execution enable high transaction throughout, and a multi-thread pipeline with a state machine enables high performance transaction processing. It is I know it's too much technical words, but the simple way explanation is just work faster. And this multi-application ecosystem built around deep liquidity standards. Every channel on TxFlow L1 shares on-chain settlement and the market data, no breaching. This TxFlow also fully on-chain club, support multiple TradFi, perpetual markets, protocol vaults, and the user vaults for liquidity provision, strategy deployment, blockchain explorer, real-time on-chain transparency, and so much information. You know, I could say they really do have so much informations. Like, we could not able to discuss every detail in one video, but generally you got the idea that this new platform works faster, makes easier. I could say this one is much more user-friendly, fast, and a little bit easy to use, because throughout my whole experience I could say that I also use different kind of platforms for trading, and they were so hard to use, not because not understandable, but because not much of a user friendly and much of a complex systems, everything on one page, and you just can't able to focus on one, and you sometimes you just forget what type of steps you need to take to do the things you want to do. So that's, you deposit your money through here. You can use either the QR code, or you can just choose the asset you want, choose the deposit network you want, take this scan, use the scan throughout your phone or any app you have, and you can deposit from your phone or your app to this balance, my friend. I think it could come instantly, shouldn't take too much time. And another interesting topic that they are having Traders Royale, which makes you guys to join this platform because they are doing some kind of prize pools. What is this Trade Royale second? This prize pool gives you up to $20,000. You have 3 days left. You can join. You can either copy it and share the links. How you can join, let's check it. You just click and you join it. That much simple. Like, you don't have to do anything else. You just click and you joined. That's so simple. The more you trade, the bigger it gets. So they have a total participant number is 109 million, and the unlocked prize pool is 4,400. You can just start trading now. You can increase your chance, because just imagine the way that you are the regular trader, you using your own platform or some platforms that you used to use, and you just trading like daily. This would be much more beneficial for you. You will do the same job that you have and you continuing to doing, and by the way, you're also increasing the chance that they're winning the extra 20k. Like, it is, why not actually? As you can see, guys, that's the trading platform. There is not much of information to discuss rather than the technical things. That's everything about this platform. I hope you like it, and I hope that you're gonna click the like button and subscription button, guys. See you in the next video.